right, tax season is here, and today is the first day that you can file your income tax returns, and so we thought this would be a good occasion to relaunch our Money Saving Mondays segment, and we're beginning with a crash course in what is called the Earned Income Tax Credit. What is it? How do you qualify? How much money could you get back? Craig Bolanos, founding partner and CEO of Wealth Management Group, joins us now. Craig, good morning.
Good morning. Taxes don't need to be scary. Tanya, let's get right into it and save some people some money.
Well, Craig, let's begin with the basics. I like your attitude. What is the Earned Income Tax Credit?
Well, the Earned Income Tax Credit, it's not a deduction. It's not a normal credit. It's a refundable tax credit. And what that means is if you qualify, the EITC can lower, if not eliminate, the amount of liability that you do have to the taxing authorities. And if the amount of credit is more valuable than what you owe, they're actually going to refund it to you in the form of a check or directly into your bank account. And that's valuable for many Americans.
Money in our pocket. I like it. So what are this is important, what are the income caps to qualify? How much money can you make before you kind of price out, along with the corresponding maximum tax credits?
Yeah, so the first thing is let's get the exciting stuff out of the way. How much is this thing worth? For some people, it could be worth $600. For others, $3,900. For more, $6,600, and it tops out at $7,430. Tanya, as you alluded to, it's going to depend on your filing status, single, head of household, joint, and how many children that you do have. Tanya, you had mentioned what's the income range. The income range for joint filers is going to be $24,000 up to $63,000. This is going to help a lot of people out there. We just got to get the message that you got to get your taxes done, and you're going to want to get them early.
Important question, Craig. How do you qualify for the Earned Income Credit?
Well, outside of having your income fall in the correct range, you need to make sure that you don't have too much investment income. That would be interest, dividends, capital gains. That needs to be under $11,000. Some people say, wait, could I get the EITC without any kids? Of course you can, as long as your income allows, but you need to be at least 25 years old and less than 65 years old. Of course, you need to have a Social Security number as well. Those are the basic things that you need in place in order to get filed correctly for the 2023 tax season. Now that January 29th, tax filing day, which started this morning, is ahead of us.
Well, now I'm going to get fancy and use the acronym since you're using it. How do you claim the EITC?
Well, obviously, it starts with doing that 1040 or that 1040 SR, depending on your age. And then there's going to be an additional form that you need to complete as well. That's Schedule EIC. And that's where you actually list the number or the qualifying children, their name, their Social Security number, etc. But best of all, I remind people this. You can use IRS Free File. There's a number of different resources out there if you don't want to go it alone. Some of those sources are free, some are in person, some are with software. I just want everybody to get what's coming to them. And the EITC, Earned Income Tax Credit, should be something that motivates people now that we're waiting for the Super Bowl to kick off so they can get their taxes done between now and then and get those refunds flowing.
Yeah, that's beer money. That's more than beer money.
That's more than beer. That's the beer, the nacho, the appetizer. That's the halftime celebration. But in all fairness, it's tough out there. Prices are high, and this can be a small pressure relief valve for the right families in America.
You're absolutely right. Craig Bolanos, president and founding partner of Wealth Management Group with offices in Inverness and Downers Grove. Craig, thank you so much. Appreciate your time.
Good to be with you.
And you can also find Craig at investwithwmg.com.
All right, I just got to do them. Got to get to it.